See, I think GCCs is an important growth in the India's story to hit from our 3 billion GDP to $3 trillion GDP to $30 trillion GDP by 2047. And I think GCCs become a very important part, which are probably growing at 13%, double the growth of India's GDP. And I would say in the GCC growth story, Hyderabad is really leading the way with a line share of 30% of growth. And I think that is a commendable job, not just by the from a talent point of view, but also from an infrastructure and a skill point of view. And I think Jayesh Ranjan Garu was here, and the way government has supported, I think this is phenomenal to see. We as a company, Moving Sync, are in employee commute. And I think, unfortunately, the sad part of growth happens to be increase in traffic. But I think the way which we as a company promote sustainable commute is employees sharing cabs and buses, which reduces your carbon emission, and secondly by the use of electric vehicles. So I think that is probably one of the ways, not just for companies, but also for individuals, for us to make sure that as city continues to grow, we don't come at a standstill and the city does not choke and the traffic keeps flowing. So I think that will remain a very important part as Hyderabad grows and keeps continuing.
So Telangana government support.
Telangana, I would say that Telangana government has been very helpful with all the initiatives which are aimed towards the GCC growth, and we as one of the important shared services of GCC. See, GCCs come to India to hire good quality talent, right? And to hire good quality talent, around 35% of the talent is women workforce. And for a lot of women workforce, safety security becomes a very important part, right? So we are able to be a backbone of this growth, which the Telangana government is providing to help the state grow.
Thank you.